Hey everyone, it's Neil, and I have this 8-pack acrylic sign holder, and it's 8.5 by 11 inches, and it is like a little tabletop one. I'll show you guys what it looks like here. Let me open this up. So if you have need to have a sign on a table, these are perfect for that type of thing, or any type of, at a front desk, like my apartment place has signs like this on the front desk that says, come to the party this weekend or whatever. And so this is kind of what it looks like here. So it looks like this. It looks like it slides out. That's kind of cool. Okay, but then it obviously has some sort of plastic on it. Let me see. So this has, there. So you can peel off the plastic here. Show you guys what it's like here. This is it here. So you peel off. Boy, it's got it on everything. By the time you're done, 2 hours later, it'll be nice and clear. Okay, so here's this one. So it is nice and clear. Okay, so now that is like crystal clear. How pretty is that? Okay, so there, that one is off. And then I have something on this as well. Let's see, how am I going to do this one? There, got a little grip of it. Okay. So like that and that. See, look how nice and clear that one is now too. Okay, so now we have one whole clear one, and I would put something in it, like I have my picture by my artist friend Ashley. It's like Ashley Art. So it'll be like this, and then you can see how it slides in. It's got like the edge is like that, and the edge is like that. So it kind of it'll slide in, and then it won't come out easy. It's not like it's just going to be in there. There, like that. So you can't pull it up. And you could even put some silicone or something like that if you really wanted to make it permanent. But look at that nice little stand there. And now I have my Ashley Original signed artwork in a nice acrylic display, and it's actually two-sided if you wanted to have something on the other side. But it comes with a bunch of them here. So you got, what was it, an 8-pack, I think? So you got a bunch here. Is that what it was? Yeah, 8-pack. So you're all set for a bunch of them here. And very cool. I'm going to say these are awesome. So totally thumbs up for sure.